So I want to start my first vlog, but my neighbors are in their backyard. I don't want to look like a crazy person talking to my camera. Okay, so now I can just look like a crazy person inside talking to myself. And my shop grew some plants, apparently. Interesting. Anyway, my name is AJ, the founder of Design the Everything. This is my first video in a hopefully ongoing series about the founding of Design the Everything, or I should say the growth of Design the Everything. This is my workshop, which I did not clean up for you guys to make it look more presentable. This is a pretty good idea of what it looks like when I'm normally working in here. This week is my last full week at my day job. Starting Monday, I'm going to be part-time there, and for the next 3 months, I'm going to be slowly tapering my time off. So basically what that means is I will be working on Design the Everything full-time for the first time starting Monday. My goal is for Design the Everything to hit a gross annual revenue of $100,000 per year within a year. So I don't need to make $100,000 in the next 12 months, but at the end of 12 months, I need to be at the point where my monthly revenue rate is equivalent of $100,000 a year. So that works out to be about $8,300 per month. That is my goal. That is what I need to get to in order to keep surviving. When we sold my old house, it sold for so much more than we expected. I was able to tuck away 50 weeks of salary. So I have 50 weeks to get Design the Everything profitable. Otherwise, I have to go find a regular job again because I'll be out of money. So that's what we're going to be covering in this vlog series. I'm going to try to keep it business focused. I will show my family more than I have in the past and show like this little bit of land that I have. But really, I'm going to be focusing on the business, not on what I have for lunch. Thank you guys for joining me, and I guess we'll get started with the regular vlog. This is a carabiner that I'm getting ready to launch on Kickstarter. And I make these out of laser cut blanks that I get from Send Cut Send. I was actually like completely out of money, but I asked Send Cut Send to sponsor me and give me some free laser cutting, and they did. So like they legitimately made this whole project possible because I did not have enough capital to keep going forward. So huge shout out to Send Cut Send. I have a discount code that you can find in the description below and on the screen right now. That was dramatic. Anyway, I have a package from Send Cut Send, and I think we need to open it. Look at that. Ooh, piece of candy. All right. So that is everything I got. A whole bunch of carabiner blanks because I scrapped all the ones I had in my last video trying to get the machining process just perfect. These are wristlet buckles. Buckles is the wrong word. They're for a wristlet, which is like a lanyard but really short. These ones are for lanyards, which are like lanyards but lanyards. These are my orange slices in titanium because I was running out of those. I have some prototype split rings, like for your keys, and those in 2 different sizes. Yes, I just turned the camera on to let you guys watch me eat a piece of candy. Am I a real vlogger now? Those are good. In light of what happened in my last YouTube video, in order to get these carabiners to work, I think I need to redesign them, redesign the flexure specifically. So I'm gonna go inside to the house and do that now. So change of plans, we're going to Joann's, which rhymes, right?
What?
Okay, she's not listening. We're getting elasticy strappy things for the lanyards. These are the 2 samples I've gotten before. I ordered this originally and I really like the material, but it's like, well, it's really wide. It's way too wide for, you know, something you put on your wrist or on a lanyard. And then I have this material, which is the right width, but I really hate the material. It's very thin and flimsy. So we need to go find something that is both nice and the right size. Are there any other ones anywhere else? They need to be stretchy. Okay, so trip done. We went to Joann's and got ice cream. Not what?
Joann's, and got ice cream.
Yeah, we didn't get ice cream at Joann's. I'm not happy with either of the straps that we bought at Joann's. They didn't have elastic in the right size. Actually, that's not true. We got one piece of elastic that was the right size, but it's ugly and white, and I kind of hate it. But this will give us something to prototype with and to play with. What do you think of the straps we got, wife?
I like the cotton one.
You like the cotton one? This one? Are you saying you don't like my orange one?
I like cotton. I don't like polyester and stuff very much.
Yeah, I don't like the texture of the orange nylon one. This one. But I like the color and the size. Becca likes it.